Details about Stellar Phoenix Access Database Repair. Stellar Phoenix Access Database Repair is an ideal tool that can repair Microsoft Access database files. It saves the repair item on the desired location. It repairs database objects like indexes, tables, queries, and relations. It also restores data from linked tables. It is compatible with Windows 10/8/8.1/7/Vista/XP/2003. It supports different languages such as Spanish, Portuguese, Swedish, etc. Additional advantages of Stellar Phoenix Access Database Repair. Finds items in the scan tree. Find tree item option provide the facility to search for the object that you need in the long list of scanned item. Displays preview after scanning. This option allows you to test the scanned objects for the sequence check by offering a preview of each of the database components in the main interface. Recovers relationships in the database. Access Database Repair Tool repairs all the details created as relationships in the corrupted database and returns them back to the restored table. Store repaired file at user-specified location. After repairing Access database file with this ideal tool, it allows to save them at the desired location. You can choose default option or select any folder at the computer to save the repaired files. If you also want to repair your Microsoft Access database files, download its trial version, which is available for free. But the trial version has some limitation as it can show the preview of the recovered data. It does not allow to save them. If you want to save, then purchase its licensed version. For more details, must visit www.freesoftx.com. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and share.